Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you for clicking on my channel and showing your girl some support. If you're new here, welcome to All Things Burn. But if you're a current subscriber, thank you for coming back by and checking your girl out. Listen you guys, I have a short Walmart haul for you guys. Very short. So let's get into it. I hope everybody's having a wonderful day. It's beautiful here in Florida today. So pretty outside. So you guys, I went to Walmart like I do every now and then, and I was just walking around the store and I saw a clearance rack and I was like, let me check that clearance rack out and see if I see anything that I like. So you guys, I did. It didn't have a tag on it, and it is this beautiful gray sweater skirt, and it's long, you guys. It's long, you guys. So it didn't have a tag on it or anything. So in my very first haul, when I came on YouTube, I got a black one, and that one was $5. But you guys, this one rang up $3. $3. I was like, yes. At first, let me see if I can find it. At first, you guys, I wasn't gonna buy it because it had like a snag on it. Oh, here it is. It had like a snag on it. You guys see that little snag right there? It had that on there. So I was like, ugh. But you guys, I can fix it quick, fast, and in a hurry. And I'm gonna show you guys how to do it too. So if you see something in the store and you're like, oh man, I would get it, but it has a snag on it, don't worry about it. Your girl is gonna show you how to fix it. So if you have a snag like that on a sweater or a sweater skirt or anything like that, take a safety pin or just a regular pin, straight pin, and thread that through to the back of the garment. It may take you a few tries. This one is kind of small, so it's taken me a few times, but you thread that through, you guys, and you flip it over and you pull it through. You see, I pulled it through, so it won't be showing on this side. And voila, it's gone. It's gone. So that's why I said, yep, I will pay $3 for this. Yes, I will. So I got that, you guys. And this also didn't have a tag on it. And I thought this was kind of cute. This is like an army fatigue, but it's in like a grayish color. And I thought it would go really nice with that skirt. And you guys, she charged me $3 for this one as well. I was like, yes, 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 yes. I will get that too. So I got that. And then, you guys, I found this really, really, really pretty headband. Look at that. That is so gorgeous. I cannot wait to wear this. And you guys, it was only $3, you guys. $3. So yeah. So you guys, I got a whole outfit for $9. The top, it's a sweater skirt. Now you know it's hot here in Florida, but there are some cool nights that me and my husband may go out to eat or whatever like that. I may try to rock this. The gray sweater skirt, the top, you guys, and then the headband. Yep, $9 for the whole outfit. Yep. I was like, yes. I love when I find deals like that. Oh my God. I don't know. I feel like I won the lottery or something. But yeah, it makes me feel good to find deals like that. Then you guys, they had these real pretty bowls. This is like a coral color, and the shape of it is really, really nice. I like it. And they had a yellow one, and they had a blue one, and they were only 50 cents, you guys. 50 cents. So I was like, yes, these would make some great cereal bowls or dessert bowls or whatever you want to put in here. I was like, yep, I'm getting that. Then you guys, I need to go back and get some more of these. They had these beautiful plates in this beautiful blue color. Well, it's not blue, it's teal, black and white and black, because it's mainly white with black specks, but it actually has a few blue specks in here too, and some gray. Let me see if I can put it closer so you guys can see. Yeah. So, and they stack up well. I was like, well, let me just show you the actual shape of it. Look at that, you guys. I love these plates. That's the back of it. These were $188 or $198, I think. Something like that. It wasn't more than $2. So they stack really well because sometimes you can't even get them apart. That's the black one. So yeah, you guys. And this is, I love this one. I love this one. It's my favorite color. So, yep. But you know what? You don't just have to use these to eat off of or whatever you want to do with it. You actually can use these as charcuterie boards. Like if you want to display a whole lot of different things, like maybe you want to put fruit on this one, maybe you want to put cheese on this one, maybe you want to put a bunch of crackers on this one, or you can just use one. But I was like, these have a lot of multiple uses, so that's why I got them. I love them. I love them, and I love the way they stack up. So I may have to go and get some more. I don't know. I may have to go get some more. And the other thing I wanted to tell you guys about was these wax warmers. They're scented wax cubes that you put like in a wax warmer that you either plug in to the wall or it's battery operated. But you guys, my house right now smells like big apple pie. Oh my God, this one right here, let me just put it close so you guys can actually see. Warm apple pie by, what is this one? Sensationals. Oh my God, you guys, this one smells so good. It came with 6 cubes, but I have 2 already. When I tell you guys, the throw on this one right here has your entire house smelling like apple pie. And I have a 4-bedroom, 2-bath home. You guys, it smells up the whole house. It smells so good. And then the Better Homes and Gardens has a vanilla caramel spice one. Oh my God, that one smells even better than the apple pie one. So, yep, these are what I am loving right now at Walmart. I buy them all the time anyway, but I just wanted to let you guys know, if you don't know about them, that's the Better Homes and Garden Vanilla Caramel Spice, amazing, and the Warm Apple Pie Sensationals. Oh my God, they smell so good. So you guys, oh, I almost forgot, you guys, the main reason why I came on here. You guys, you know my Shein haul where I haul that green faux leather skirt? If you haven't seen it, go watch my video of the Shein haul and check out that skirt. You guys, look what I found to match at Walmart. Oh my God. I was just walking down the aisle and I was like, when is this on clearance? And you guys, it was on clearance. $15. The original price is $24. Let me see if we can get a close up of this price. There we go, $24.97, and it is $15. You guys, this purse is so pretty. This is how it opens. It's not like a magnet, but that's how it opens. And it has 2, you see? It has, I didn't really look at that one. Let me take this paper out. Okay. Oh, wow. Okay. It has 2 pockets right here. I guess one for your cell phone, or, I don't know, these are kind of small for a cell phone. I guess I just got to drop my cell phone in the purse. And then it has a zipper right here for whatever you want to put in there. Oh, it's pretty deep too. Oh, wow. It's pretty deep. So yeah, you guys, I'm so happy to find this purse. And to close it, you just like that. So yeah, you guys, I will be rocking this with my faux leather green skirt from Shein. This too is faux leather, but it's made so well. Oh, it's made so well. So that's it, you guys. I believe that's it. Let me just make sure, you guys. I got stuff all over the place over here. I just want to make sure. Yeah, that's it, you guys. So you guys, I hope you guys have an amazing day, weekend, morning, afternoon, whatever time it is that you're watching this video. Thank you so much for clicking on my video and watching it. Follow me on Instagram at All Things Burn, because I post things over there that I may not put on YouTube. So you need to be following me over there, you guys. Also, if you haven't subscribed yet, consider subscribing. Every time I get on this camera, I get tongue-tied, but it's okay. I'm not trying to be perfect. So if you haven't subscribed yet, go ahead and hit that bell. Subscribe, hit the bell. If you hit the bell, you'll be notified every time I upload a new video, and you won't miss a thing, honey, a thing. But you guys have a wonderful, wonderful day. Be kind to someone. Love you all, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye-bye.